Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible because you are broke? Guess what? In today's video, I'm going to share with you a fully funded conference. Yes, so how you can travel to Australia for free. This is something you're interested in. Keep on watching this video all the way till the end. You know, on this channel, I told you that there are fully funded conferences, international conferences where they pay for your flights, your accommodation, your feeding, your transportation, everything that you need for the duration of the conference. And today, I'm happy and I'm excited to bring it to you guys. Let me give you a quick backstory of this. So guys, while I was in the university, when I was in my final year, I was privileged to attend World Bank conference and everything was paid for. My flight fee was paid for, feeding, everything that we needed for the conference, it was paid for. And there was another conference that I missed in Norway. It's called ISFIT, ISFIT in Norway. I just realized, did the research, and I realized the next one is in 2027, which is still a long time from now. So guess what? I found alternative kind of ISFIT festivals. Yes, so that you can take. You see? So if you're new here, introduce yourselves in the comments. I want to know you and I want to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And to all my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you. So if you're seeing me for the first time, I want you to introduce yourself, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you. Thank you for having my back. Thank you for always sharing my videos. I see you guys and I really appreciate it. If you're new here, oh yeah, share this video and introduce yourselves in the comments. I'm going to introduce myself in the course of today's video, but I'm so excited to share this video with you guys, to share this information with you guys. So watch this video all the way till the end. So come with me. Let's go. Let's go. So first things, have you heard of the Youth Leadership Certification Sydney 2025? Yes, so these are conferences and youth summits in 2025-2026. Guys, this is a program that covers your airfare. They'll pay for your flights, your food, your accommodation, your visa support, and conference access. So guys, today we're going to explore the dynamic world of conferences and youth summits that are happening. It is open to all nationalities and there are no requirements for IELTS tests whatsoever. Now guys, have you heard of the Youth Leadership Summit 2025 in Australia? It is fully funded. The host country is Australia. The event location is the University of Technology, Sydney. The duration is 5 days. Yes, so it's happening on the 21st to 28th of November. It is this particular one. The deadline is closing up soon. I'm going to put the link in my channel. And guys, you get a certification. There's, Youth Leadership Certification in Sydney, Australia. Guys, they believe that in a world where artificial intelligence and innovation are transforming every aspect of life, from global industries to grassroots communities, the need for agile, tech-savvy, and values-driven youth leadership has never been more urgent. Today's young leaders must go beyond getting admission. They must be equipped with a versatile blend of technology, fluency, entrepreneurial mindset, critical life skills, and of course, the confidence to lead with purpose. The Youth Leadership Certification Sydney is a bold response to this global need, and it is hosted by the Global Business Symposium, AUS-based organization, Australian-based organization. Now, this flagship program convenes a diverse group of emerging change makers from around the world to explore future-focused leadership, ethical applications of technology, entrepreneurial innovation, from policy development to community action. This certification empowers you to lead in theory and in action, shaping the future of business, governance, and society. So guys, they want you to join them in Sydney and be a part of the change. They want you to witness the change, and these are the information that they'll need from you, as well as benefits, yes, for individuals. So future-ready leadership skills are the things that you'd hope to get. You have to develop a mindset and practical tools in a world shaped by technology, uncertainty, and of course global change. You also get entrepreneurial knowledge for real-world impact. In the conference, you're going to learn how to turn ideas into scalable, purpose-driven ventures with a startup mindset and practical framework. You also get powerful communication and visibility. You get to build your public speaking confidence, your storytelling skills, and a personal brand that resonates with audiences. You also get global connections and cross-cultural collaborations, and engage with a network of young leaders from around the world, engaging perspectives and building lasting partnerships. You also get career advancement. You can acquire a certification that enhances your professional credential and opens up new career opportunities in leadership and management roles. Then you also get practical application. You can apply the knowledge that is gained through real-world case studies, projects, and simulations, ensuring that you are prepared to tackle challenges with confidence. And here is the eligibility. You need to be 18 years or older. It's ideal for students, professionals, and of course entrepreneurs that are passionate about being impactful leaders with technology, technology awareness, individuals working in social development, and of course tech-related jobs. You don't need IELTS or TOEFL for this program, but working knowledge of English language is required for credential purposes. You can check the report of previous events. You can check it out on their website. And guess what? The Youth Leadership and Business Forum is currently on. Go ahead and apply before the deadline, and that's why I quickly brought it to your doorstep. I'm also going to share with you in my next video how you can travel to Turkey for free. Yes, you can travel to Turkey for free. They're going to cover cost of transportation, your flight fee, and everything that you need, yes, to travel. So make sure that you stick around on this channel. If you have not introduced yourselves, yes, please go ahead and do that. I'd like to know you for real. I want to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you once again. Thank you for always sharing my videos out. And yes, I have not introduced myself yet. I was really excited to share this fully funded conference with you guys. Don't worry, I've done all the homework. Find the link in my description. So guys, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel I share 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, so yeah, make sure that you are connected. Join the channel membership. And if you would like to book a one-on-one consultation with me, then you can join my Patreon community. Or you can click on the join button. You can click on the join button right next to the subscribe button here on this channel, and then we can have a meeting. We can have a one-on-one discussion regarding whatever it is that you are working towards. Maybe you need scholarships, you need help with your application, fully funded conferences, getting your international passport, and all of this good stuff. So that'll be all for today. If you have any question for me, let me know in the comments. And if you want me to also do a research alert to your specification, also let me know. I'm here rooting for you. I'm working hard for you. And I really want to hear from you guys. What exactly do you want to see more of on this channel? Your wish is my command. And please don't forget to check out my previous videos, apply for them, and also share these videos with your friends, your students, department, your colleagues, your classmates, your classmates, and it's all about helping you become the best version of yourself and helping you get into your dream country at 0 cost if possible. All right, take care of yourselves and God bless you. Bye for now. Love you.